What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Feels good to be making videos and whatnot. So yeah, it's been a while since I've done this, so bear with me, but we'll get through it. So lately, everything's been kind of weird with coronavirus and everything going on. School years have been canceled, sports have been canceled. Everything's just big ol' humbo jumbo mess. We'll put it as that. So with this whole pandemic going on, or epidemic, whatever you want to call it, I thought what better way than to take a photo shoot themed after everything that's kind of going on. You know, we got people wearing face masks, gloves, goggles, you know, all these things. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to, you know, capture an image that, you know, looks cool at the same time, but then, you know, it fits with the time period. So we are going to jump into Lightroom. I'll show you a little bit of how I edit my photos, and yeah, so let's get into it. We are going to jump on into Lightroom right here. Let's get this opened up. So with these photos, I had goggles and face mask on. As you can see right here, I have them already preloaded into my Lightroom. So we can roll through these. How the process of how I edit my photos is I kind of like to flick through all of them to kind of get a basis idea down. So let's see, these two photos right here, we are going to get rid of because those just aren't good photos and we don't want those. So we don't want that one either. I don't really like that one. That one I'm gonna pass on. Same with that one, it's a little blurry. This one I like. I think I like this one better because you can see more of the face mask. So we're gonna get rid of this one. Now that I've gone through all of the photos, weeded out all the bad ones that I don't want, I kind of need to think of an idea of like how I want to present these photos. So in this case, you know, coronavirus, face mask, goggles, whole epidemic, I kind of want like a hazy, smoky kind of feel. So first, basically what I'm going to work is I'm going to work from left to right in Lightroom. So over here on the left side, I've got a bunch of presets in different colors that I can throw on my pictures. Yeah, we're going to start from the left. So I have whole bunch of different presets over here. So we'll start with, I guess we could start with shadow adjustments. I don't know, I kind of want to go with a kind of distorted look. So I guess we'll go with a highlight bump. And then my favorite for kind of hazy, shadowy is this dusk preset. And it kind of gives it like a very desaturated look on my photos. But it is a little dark here, so what I am going to do is I'm gonna bump the exposure just a little bit. You know, you can see right in here, there's a lot of orange on my, you know, my elbow, my fingers, forehead, my arm over here. It's definitely coming from this light in the barn. And you know, there's one over here, and then there was one in front of me that's casting this light on me. The orange. Normally I would go down over to my HSL. So you know, I have my curve here, so HSL, and the saturation of orange, I normally would probably bump that down. Honestly, I think that looks pretty cool right there. You know, everything's a little desaturated. Let me bring it back just a little, so it's still a little bit of skin tones in there. Yeah, I like that. So maybe what if I bring my green in some more on my, does that do anything? It brings the green up just a little bit because I have a green shirt on and there's green in the face mask. What about aqua? Blue? See, now blue in the goggle does bump a little bit, but then if I do too much, it shows up on this drill. And desaturated actually looks kind of cool too. You know, dragging the color down to gray, but at this point I'm just kind of rambling on. I am going to bring it up a little bit just until it starts showing up on the drill. Because I want those colors well, it kind of goes against me. I kind of want the blue in the goggle to pop a little bit, even though I'm kind of going for this desaturated look. Honestly, I think that looks pretty good. You know, we could, let's go like this. We are going to edit this in Photoshop, because I'm going to take this one step farther. I pulled this image into Photoshop, and what I want to do is, you know, maybe add a little bit of smoke in the corner or something. So what I'm going to do is we are going to jump over into Google. Yeah, that looks pretty good right there. Okay, go ahead and save it. So while that's saving, we're going to jump back into Lightroom and move on to the next image. Once I have one image from like one particular spot edited how I like, what I'm normally going to do with the next following images is just hit previous, and it is going to just straight up apply all of the color editing that I have done to my previous photos onto the next. And just like that, we will hit previous. And then I think for this one, what I'm going to do is we are actually going to edit on my eyes a little bit. So let's draw on like that, and then just raise the exposure just a little bit. And we'll jump out. So kind of just adds a little bit to the eye, makes it look a little more creepy. So after going through and editing all these photos, you can see a little bit of my process. These are the photos we ended up coming up with, and what I'll end up posting on my Instagram. So be sure to go ahead and like those at my Instagram at Schunck, and drop a little comment, say something like, yo, I saw you edit this on your YouTube channel, or yo, I don't watch your YouTube videos, or I don't care, whatever you want to comment, you go ahead and do it. So yeah, that's gonna do it. That's gonna bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know, it means a lot with all your guys' support, and if you guys even made it all the way through this video, I did not, but if you did, I have a little treat for you guys. Right here, I have 2 Moment cases. These are the ultra thin photo case for the iPhone XS Max, and I am going to give these away. You know, Moment is a very good brand. I love their stuff, and so as long as you like, comment, and subscribe, then 2 lucky winners out there will get brand new cases. Hopefully you have a XS Max. If not, I would still like, comment, subscribe anyways, because every little bit counts. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.